We are all set and it is going to be a wet trip. But Dai has his trailer ready, all his stuff here. He is a camping pro, so we're not super worried. Here is the man's camping pro. Lucky boy. I'm only first Woolies. We're gonna pick some stuff up. We're still waiting for Kritika and Pramit. They are gonna be here around 10. So we've got a small hiccup. Kritika and Pramit are running a little bit late. Dai is just a little bit stressed that we're not gonna make it on time. Finally! Let's go. Let's go! 26 minutes away from our destination and we have just stopped. Dai told us that we are going to camp on the, I think, Yarra National Park, but apparently the Yarra River that runs through the city, it starts from here, so I'll show you the river.
First time on Evalama, it was like autumn sort of thing. It was a couple of months ago. It was good. It was good.
Coffee लिन गएको मान्छेहरुले कफी चाहिँ पाएन रहेछ. Decided to set our camp here. Ago kun चाहिँ Red Mill Ago, welcome. So nice. This is our living. This is our bedroom. We're gonna set inside the bedroom now. It is now all ready. When we're ready to sleep, like perfection banarahecham. They're setting up the fireplace.
लन्चमा हामी चाहिँ तास खान लाग्यो.
Oh my god. Show it to me. Bye bye.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
मान्छे भएपछि पनि कस्तो रक्सी खानेहरू है बाया खानु पर्दा गयो हामीसँगै कसरी आउनु
चाय की प्याली हो
कोई उसको आने वाली हो चाहे गोरी हो या काली जाए तो मिट जाए हरदम तररम पम पम तररम पम पम तररम पम पम
जिम पापा
what? I didn't know जिम पापा Just for now,
사랑해 스킨티 Oh wow, not bad, eh?
Not bad. Good morning. Good morning. We are now up. Sounds of the birds were so nice to listen to. Finally, beads loose. Bhat ya dai. Why, bye.
Oh my god, bro. Oh hell no, man. What the fuck, man?
Morning. We are gonna go freshen up. Akshav just chopped some wood, like the manly man he is. And I'm doing Amrit Bokira Muktunini Koilete. I'm the gumbut kinners एकदम राम्रो गरे तर अक्षवको Dr. Martin's looking a little bit scary तर ठिक छ apparently बिग्रिँदैन रे It's still very very cold बिहान मज्जाले पानी परिरहेको थियो अहिले चाहिँ खासै पानी परिरहेको छैन which is good and then we're gonna just chill out for a little bit longer and see where the day takes us shall we yes भन्ने
Yes.
What do you think of the trip so far?
It's been an adventure.
Yes. Has it been a good adventure?
Yeah, all adventures are good adventures.
Okay, there you heard it. First hand from the man himself. All adventures are good adventures. The water is so cold. Ice pani mein bath garasa. What say? Kati cha thyo pani? At least fresh se feel bhayera cha tara. त्यति चिसो pani bharne ठाउँ मोहनको pani and then that's the toilet अनि हाम्रो campsite चाहिँ यता This is my fit and then the topi and then 3 layers including this one and then a big jacket that Akshay was wearing and then I've got 2 layers of pants and then a big chunky boot. My lordy. 1, 2, 3, go.
2, 3, go. Yarra, oh Yarra. Yarra, oh Yarra. Mila to para.
We have just
Kids
walked
are there.
back from the river. Cute,
The Yarra River.
Take off. All points updated.
मलाई चाहिँदैन चम्चा म चाहिँ फोकै युज गर्छु तिमीलाई यो
The artist.
सुट गरे
The art. For the first time. We are towards the end of the trip. They are all packing up. It's sprinkling again. It's been on and off with the rain. The reason I really wanted to do this vlog was because we took a camping trip a couple of years ago with Shritika as well, of course, in it. And it was definitely one of the best trips we've ever had. And still to this day, like one of our fondest memory together, I reckon. And Shritika was meant to be here as well on this trip with us, but she couldn't make it. So I thought it would be a shame to not film it again. Of course, nothing will beat that little trip that we had. It was summer, it was warm, it was just a really, really good vibes. We had lots of laughter, lots of fun, lots of energy. It was sort of like a mini recreation. But this was an amazing trip as usual, and any camping trip with Pratap Dai is just pretty cool, I'm not gonna lie. We literally had a hot pot set up in our camp, which is, I reckon, is unheard of. At least I haven't seen it anywhere. So it was pretty amazing. We thought the rain was going to be an issue, but it most definitely wasn't. It was really nice to sleep to and wake up to the sound of rain hitting your tent. It was a really good time. We had some really good food. We had some heartfelt talks. Yeah, overall we had a good time. It was cold, but our hearts were warm. See you when I see you next time.
Bye. Daily salam pun ngadin.
Bye-bye.